this is Faithlyn with Elegance for Less. Thank you so much for joining me today. I want to share with you my farmhouse spring tablescape. Now this is not my Easter tablescape, this is just for spring. We're having our Sunday dinner and wanted to do something different, rustic. So I decided to create this tablescape and want to share it with you guys. There is a lot to see on this table. Now last year I shared with you guys when I hauled the wreaths. I got 9 of them just to make sure that if one gets broken or anything was defected on it, that I would have the amount I needed. I do need 8. And so I hauled them and did a fall tablescape. Love the way that it turned out. I will put that link down below. I also shared with you guys last Tuesday these home decor. I think that they look more like a cage. So I decided I wanted to use it to house my moss. The moss that I found at Bell's Outlet. I also hauled these home decor from Bell's Outlet as well. So I decided to separate them and create a cage for the moss. I did that for all 3 of them. I must tell you, 1 bag is sufficient for all 3 of the cage that I have here. The eggs I got from Hobby Lobby. And I shared with you guys these cake stand that I hauled for $1.99 from Ross once they were doing their 49-cent sales. This adorable bunny came from Hobby Lobby and they're running their 40% sale now, so I thought that was perfect. Now this candle I got during Christmas time. I hauled 3 of them because I do like to buy in odd numbers. And I decided that I wanted to DIY just to create something adorable. I will have a video on how to put this together. Now I think the best part of this tablescape is the runner. Last year when I hauled this moss, it comes in a large sheet, and I hauled it last year at their 75% sale. So this year when I was thinking of doing this tablescape, I decided I would use that moss sheet, cut it in 2, and create a table runner. Very simple. I hope that I see it again this year. If I do, I will definitely let you guys know that it is there in store so you can haul it. It is an awesome product to work with. I did a few DIYs with it last year. Okay guys, this is my tablescape for spring. I hope that you guys like the way that it turned out. If you do, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and share with your family and friends. I truly appreciate your time and your support, guys. I cannot say enough of how appreciative I am of each and every single one of you leaving a comment and just participating by giving me a thumbs up. That does support my channel when you share the video and when you give me a thumbs up. So I must tell you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Truly, truly appreciate that. I will see you on my next DIY.